Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Exness Cent account. So first of all, you need to come here on exness.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you need to select the real account or the demo account, whichever account you want to create over here. So when you select the option of either the real account or the demo account, you just have to simply select the option of open account. Then here you are going to see the second option of standard cent. So this is exactly what we are looking for. After selecting this option, you just have to simply press continue. Then you need to select the currency. Afterwards, you need to select the nickname. You can also change the leverage and simply select the platform, whether you want to select Exness platform, MT5 or MT4 terminal. Then simply select the option of create account, and this way your account will be created in no time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.